Join me as I dive into the world of Intel stock and try to figure out if it's really on the verge of exploding. Intel is a giant in the tech industry, a name that's been synonymous with computing power for decades. Its stock, Intc, has been a staple in many investors' portfolios, but lately, it's been facing some tough times. The question on everyone's mind is whether Intel can turn things around and make its stock price soar. Intel has faced some serious challenges in recent years. One major issue has been the rise of competitors like AMD and Nvidia, which have been eating into Intel's market share. These companies have been innovating rapidly, offering better performance and lower prices, making it tough for Intel to keep up. Another challenge Intel has faced is the global chip shortage. As demand for semiconductors has skyrocketed, Intel has struggled to keep up with production. This has led to a backlog of orders and a strain on its resources. The shortage has also led to increased costs, which have further impacted Intel's bottom line. The competition in the tech industry is relentless, and Intel has had to adapt quickly to changing market conditions. Its foundry business, which produces chips for other companies, has been facing some tough times. Intel has been investing heavily in upgrading its manufacturing capabilities, but it's a costly and time-consuming process. Despite these challenges, Intel has been making some significant strides. It recently launched its new line of Alder Lake processors, which have received rave reviews for their performance and efficiency. The company has also been making progress in its foundry business, securing major deals with companies like IBM and Qualcomm. Intel's also been investing heavily in emerging technologies like artificial intelligence and autonomous vehicles. Its acquisition of Mobileye, a leading developer of autonomous driving technology, has been a strategic move to position itself for the future. These new developments could signal a change in Intel's market position. If the company can successfully execute on its plans, it could see a significant increase in its stock price. Experts have been weighing in on Intel's prospects, with some predicting a major surge in its stock price. Analysts have been pointing to Intel's improving fundamentals, including its increasing revenue and profitability. They also see the company's investments in emerging technologies as a major plus. With the stock market being notoriously volatile, it's impossible to predict with certainty what will happen next. Several factors suggest Intel stock might be on the verge of a significant rise. Its new product launches, partnerships, and innovations could all contribute to an increase in its stock price. So, what's the verdict on Intel stock? In summary, the company has faced some significant challenges, but it's also making some major strides. With its new product launches, investments in emerging technologies, and improving fundamentals, Intel stock could be poised for a major explosion. What do you think about Intel's future? Share your opinions in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about stock market trends, be sure to check out my other videos.